Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have been struggling to find free ways to generate stunning AI images, today is your lucky day. Google just released their revolutionary Nano Banana image generation model. In this video, I am going to reveal 7 fantastic and free ways you can get your hands on this powerful tool right now and no credit card required. But here's the catch, some of these platforms has limits that are changing fast, so make sure you stick around until the end because I am going to reveal the exact daily limits for each platform and which ones give you unlimited access and a bonus method to use Nano Banana on WhatsApp that will blow your mind. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We drop AI hacks like this every week. So guys, let's dive in. Let's begin with the most obvious one, that is Google Gemini. You can access it through both Gemini app on your phone and directly on the Gemini website. Free users get 100 images a day using Nano Banana model. Now this might just sound like a lot, but Google has mentioned that if there is high demand, free users might face some restrictions. The limit reset every 24 hours. For the heavy users out there, Google offers paid plans like Pro and Ultra that give you highest access and a much larger number of daily image creations. But for most creators, 100 free images daily is pretty generous. To get started, just head to gemini.google.com, type your prompt and select the Nano Banana model from the options. The quality is honestly impressive for a free service. One pro tip, be specific with styles like in Pixar animation or photorealistic edit to nail those viral edits. Next on our list is a hidden gem. This is where things start getting interesting. Google AI Studio doesn't have a specific daily limit for Nano Banana model. It is designed as a no-cost environment for testing and experimentation. However, to keep things running smoothly for everyone, there are rate limits in place to prevent misuse. Think of it as a fair use policy. For casual to moderate use, you are unlikely to hit any walls, making it practically unlimited. This is honestly one of the best kept secrets. Most people don't even know Google AI Studio exists, but it's completely free, gives you access to experiment with models without worrying about the daily limits. To access it, go to aistudio.google.com, create a new prompt and select Nano Banana from the model dropdown. The interface is more technical than Gemini, but it gives you more control over parameters. Google Labs Whisk is another hidden gem. As a Google Labs experiment, Whisk is about pushing the boundaries of creativity. Whisk offers unique approach allowing you to not only use text prompts but also remix ideas using images as inspiration. It's perfect for creating variations of existing artwork or maintaining consistent character designs across multiple images. While Google hasn't officially stated the exact number of free images you can generate, it operates under what they call a basic access tier with daily usage caps that aren't explicitly defined. The platform is still in beta, so you might need to join a waitlist, but once you're in, the quality of Nano Banana generation through Whisk is outstanding. You will have to just toggle on the precise option in the dashboard. The interface is super intuitive and it's clearly designed for creative professionals. Our fourth method comes with a bit of a disclaimer. You might come across a website called nanobananafree.ai. This site claims to offer free unlimited image generation with Nano Banana model. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, here's the catch. When there is heavy traffic, the service won't generate images. But here's the pro tip. Just hit try again after some time and it usually works perfectly. I have been testing this platform for weeks and while you might face occasional downtime during peak hours, it's incredibly reliable during off-peak times. The best part is there are no daily limits and the generation speed is actually faster than some paid platforms. It's important to be aware that this is an unofficial website and not affiliated with Google. For a more reliable experience, I'd recommend sticking with the official Google platforms we have already discussed. Moving on to number 5, we have Perplexity AI, which recently integrated the Nano Banana model. While the standard free version of their website and app has limited access to Nano Banana, they have an amazing integration that we'll talk about in our bonus section. The exact limit isn't publicly disclosed, but based on my testing, free users can generate around 3 to 5 images per day. It's not as generous as other platforms, but the quality and accuracy make it worth using. Are you the kind of person who likes to compare all your options before making a decision? Then you will love our 6th free tool, that is LM Arena. It is a completely free platform designed for comparing different AI models, and yes, that includes Google's Nano Banana, which you can find under its official name Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. The best part, LM Arena doesn't impose any daily or total limits on image generation. This platform is a gold mine because you can generate unlimited images with Nano Banana and compare the results with other popular models side by side. It's a fantastic way to not only use Nano Banana for free but also see how it stacks up against the interface is more technical because it's for researchers and developers, but once you get the hang of it, you can generate as many images as you want without any restrictions. Last but not least, we have Leonardo AI, a popular platform packed with tools for AI art generation. Leonardo offers 150 free credits every day for free users. Now here's the important part. It takes 40 credits to generate one image using Nano Banana model on Leonardo. So essentially you can generate about 3 images every day for free. While this might seem limited compared to other platforms, Leonardo's strength lies in its advanced editing tools and community features. Alright, you have been patient and now it's time for that game-changing bonus tip I promised. Did you know you can generate and edit incredible Nano Banana images right from your phone inside WhatsApp? Thanks to Perplexity AI's brilliant WhatsApp bot, you can now have the power of Nano Banana at your fingertips. This is huge because you can generate and edit image directly through your WhatsApp messages. All you need to do is send a WhatsApp message to this number with your image prompt and you will get Nano Banana generated images right in your chat. You can even send an existing photo and ask the bot to edit it using Nano Banana's incredible capabilities. It's fast, it's convenient, and it's fantastic way to create on the perfect for sharing with friends or when you don't want to open a browser. The quality is same as using Perplexity directly, but the convenience factor is incredible. So there you have it guys, 7 free ways plus a bonus method to access Google's incredible Nano Banana image generation model. From official platforms to experimental labs and even your favorite messaging, and there is a method out there that's perfect for you. My personal favorites are Google AI Studio for unlimited access and the WhatsApp method for convenience. Remember guys, these limits and availability can change as the technology evolves. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss updates. Also do follow our WhatsApp and Telegram private community for exclusive prompts, daily updates, and much more. Which method are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and tell me which of these methods you are most excited to try. If this helped you a lot, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and share it with your creative friends. See you in the next one guys. Take care.